In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your front door-mounted door seal. This procedure will apply to the 08 to 2010 Ford F-250 on both driver's and passenger side. Now all you need for this job is a trim tool remover or anything to pop some push clips off. And if the old ones break, that's okay because the new seal should come with push clips. So far all of mine are breaking, but like I said, that's okay. Just remove the old seal. Okay, every single one broke, so let's get them out of here. Sometimes you can grab some cutters and grab them, pull them out of here. If not, we'll just have to punch them in through the door. There you go. This seems like it's working, so I'll just go along the door and remove all of them. Now take the new Weatherstrip seal and line it up, press it into the door, make sure it clicks in everywhere. There you have it. Once it's installed, close your door, make sure everything works out fine, and down the road you go with no more water leaks.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.